Today we're going to make a pig finger puppet. It's going to be very similar to the cat puppet we made in the last episode. What we're going to do is start with our piece of square origami paper with a coloured side on the outside. We're going to line up the corners diagonally and fold it flat. Open it up, fold it diagonally in the opposite direction. Line the corners up and fold it flat. We turn it around from the centre. We want to fold both sides down. One side. Two sides. Now we're going to create our ears. So exactly the same as the cat. We fold the ears up, making sure they match. Line up nicely in the centre so our ears are even. We're going to take the top sheet of paper at the bottom and fold it straight up. Now if we turn it over, we're going to fold in the sides. One side. Two sides. Now we're going to take the bottom and fold it up. So now we're in exactly the same stage as our cat in the last episode. We're going to take the middle at the top and fold it over at the back. But this time we're going to fold the ears out. Give it pig ears. And that is our basic puppet. All we need now is some details. So we're going to draw on a snout. Give him a mouth. And a couple of eyes. Perhaps some eyebrows. There we have a pig puppet. Pigs and cats. Thanks for watching. Give it a go yourselves. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, click on the thumbs up icon below and give us a like. And if you'd like to see more things to make and create, click on the subscribe button in the corner of the screen or on the red subscribe button below and check out our channel.